Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MARA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume, and once again, good solid volume. And even on Tuesday, the volume was already really big, but then today's volume almost makes Tuesday's volume look small. But point here being, a lot of eyeballs still watching this one very closely. And after today's price movement, updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do, though, is a little house cleaning, actually get rid of a couple of these lines here. Sure, those levels still pertain, but they're just not necessarily relevant. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you tend to act as support, and you want to see them act as support. So point here being, moving forward, the ideal level of support would be at 265. And you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? And that would be if the price can stay above 265. Now, if the price falls below that level, that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would be a fantastic sign of strength moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above that area would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, big battleground now to watch moving forward, right up there at that round number of $3. Several times the price has gotten up around that area, but each and every time it was like, the momentum just disappeared. So that'll be the main hurdle to watch going forward. But all in all, higher highs and higher lows, and that's what matters most. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.